Hi, welcome to Francois Maths class. Today we are going to look at elective maths Wassce with the private candidate 2025 January-February. Question number 11, and it was on integration. The question reads: the gradient of a curve which passes through t 3, 4 is given by dy dx is equal to 12 over square root of 6x minus 2. Find the equation of A, the curve, B, the normal to the curve at t. This is our question. And the question is given to us as dy x equal to 12 over square root of 6x minus 2. Now, to get more questions like this, you can subscribe to Francois Maths class, and you can also contact me on 0246 426343. Let's continue with our question. Now, the question is given to us this way. Now, we need to integrate this because the question has been given to us in the differential form, and we want the curve because this one is the gradient. We want the curve, and to get the curve, you need to integrate. So it means that we are supposed to integrate this side and this side. We're supposed to integrate this side and this side as the x of that. Now, when you integrate the dy over the x, you get y. When you integrate dy over the x, you get y. But this side, we have to use the substitution method to make it very simple. So we have, this one can also be written as integral 12 into bracket 6x minus 2 to the power negative half dx. Then this one, as I said, when you integrate this side, you get y. So we look at this side. Since we can use the substitution method, we can let u be equal to 6x minus 2. Then we need to change everything here to u. So the dx must be changed to u. So we have to differentiate this side where we have the u is equal to the u over the x is equal to 6, because when you differentiate that you get 6. Now we want to make the x the subject. So to make the x the subject, the x will give us 1 over 6 du. 1 over 6 du. So having gotten that, then we can replace the whole of the x and the u into our function. So now we have integral 12. This is our u, negative half, times, the x is 1 over 6 du. Okay, so now 6 can go into that 2. So we have integral 2 u to the power negative half du. Now we need to integrate that. As I said, all this is equal to y because we have y equal to this. So y is equal to, when you integrate this, you have 2 to the power u. Integration, you add 1 to the power over whatever you got from the power. So minus half plus 1 over negative 1 over 2 plus 1 plus our constant c. So y is equal to 2u to the power half over half plus c. So with this, because it's over half, I think it multiply this one, we reciprocate to multiply this one to get 4. So y is equal to 4u to the power half plus c. And we said u was equal to 6x minus 2. So therefore y is equal to 4 into bracket 6x minus 2 to the power half plus c, which can also be written as 4 root 6x minus 2 plus c. But we've still not completed with the curve because we have c. And from the question, we said t is equal to 3, 4. So with this, wherever you see y, you put 4 there. and whenever you see x, you put 3 there. So we have 4 is equal to 4 multiplying square root of 6, we said x is 3 minus 2 plus c. So 4 is equal to 4 into bracket, you have 18 minus 2, and that will give us with 16 plus c. With 16 is 4. With 16 is 4. 4 times 4 will give us 16. So we have 4 is equal to 16 plus c. So we have c giving us 4 minus 16. So c will give us negative 12. So having gotten c to be negative 12, we can substitute it into this one to get the main equation. Therefore, the equation of the curve becomes y is equal to 4 root 6x minus 2 minus 12. And this gives us the equation of the curve. And this solves the first part of the question. Now we are going to look at the second part of the question, which talks of the normal to the curve. The normal to the curve at t. The normal to the curve at t. Now, to get the normal of curve, which is the equation, we need gradient. And gradient, which is dy dx, has given us 12 over root of 6x minus 2. So at 3, 4, it means that wherever is our x is 3. So the y over the x will be 12 over square root of 6 times 3 minus 2. And this will give us 12 over this and that. You are going to get 18. 18 minus 2, you have 16. And root of 16 is 4. So we have 4. So this one will give us 3. So dy over the x, which is the gradient, is 3. But the question says normal to the curve. And the equation normal to the curve, we are going to have the negative reciprocal. The negative reciprocal of the gradient. And the negative reciprocal of the gradient becomes, that's minus 1 over m, becomes negative 1 over 3. So with equation normal to the curve, you use the y minus y1 equal to minus 1 over m into bracket x minus x1. So we have minus 1 over m to be negative 1 over 3, which is y is equal to, y, and the point we have 3, 4. So our y1 is 4, our x1 is 3. So we substitute it into this equation. So 4 equal to minus 1 over 3 into bracket x minus 3. So at this stage we can expand. So we can multiply through by 3. We have 3y minus 12 equal to negative x plus 3. Negative x plus 3. So we can make y the subject. So we have 3y is equal to negative x plus 15. Because 12 plus 3 will give us 15. Divide here by 3, here by 3, here by 3. Y is equal to minus 1 over 3 x plus 5. Y is equal to negative 1 over 3 x plus 5. And this gives us the equation of the normal to the curve at t. So this brings us to the end of this question. Continue to subscribe to Francois' math class, and you can also contact me on 0246 426343. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.